You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. It's a word from French originally. French pronunciation is as patronage, okay, so it could be patronage. That's if you want to really make it sound quite French, but it's also a word that exists in English. It comes from the noun patron. So in English, the pronunciation is as patronage. Pay, not pa, patronage. Stress on the first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Patronage. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.